virtual 31 consultant right here on YouTube. If we've never met, hi. My name is Rochelle and I am a 31 consultant. If you love all things 31 or if you're just loving the vibe in this tribe, go ahead and subscribe down below. Make sure you hit that bell so you know when I go live. And of course, give this video a big like if you totally love videos like this. Feel free to share this video with friends and family also who want to get in all the fun right here in this awesome Bag Babe community. In this video, I'm going to do three things. Well, two and a half. I am going to finally announce the two winners. One is the Mystery Hostess for April and the Cruise But Not Cruise With Me winner for last week's adventure. Also, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Lucky Numbers treats. Stay to the very end if you want to hear who those winners are because we're going to watch a little fun video. But before we get in all to the fun, don't forget we are the last days of April. So ladies, we are having that craft on sale. If you ladies need a sneak peek of any of these items or the PS bundles, feel free to check out this video that I have right here. Don't forget that also in April, we're ending the Hello Happy. I did an unboxing in one of my cruise videos, but I will be posting another video. Once April is gone, this Hello Happy is gone too, and it is flying off the shelves. That is an awesome Hello Happy. And as always, if you're shopping with me, you'll totally be getting in on the giveaway. Now, as mentioned, I will be announcing April's Mystery Hostess winner, but don't worry, girls, I got you covered. I've unlocked May's Mystery Hostess link and it's in the description down below. Remember, you can totally get double entries if you shop by May 9th. I believe that's the second Saturday of the May. By May 9th, you will totally be getting double entries, okay? So if this is something fun that you like, if you want to get in on those PS bundles, if you want to grab some Hello Happy, and if you get a mix of those things, you're going to go ahead and get the rewards of the 50% off. You got it. Don't forget also to get in on all the 31 fun for just $1. Yes, ladies, just for $1. This is a blessing from 31 to anyone who needs a blessing right now. Get in on the consultant perks for $1. If you need more information, go ahead and reach out to me or a consultant for more questions, and we could totally help you out. All right, ladies. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and figure out what I got in my unboxing yesterday with my mystery treats. All right, Bag Babes, I have a special guest for today's unboxing of my mystery treats.
Woo, I'm here.
My brother is here again to visit, and it is Saturday, so this will, I'm gonna post this tomorrow, Sunday, so it's gonna be pre-recorded because my brother's gotta go. So I finally got the mystery treats, and I can't wait to share it. We're gonna do a little fun. I'm going to be blindfolded and my brother is going to be the top consultant and try to describe for me what the products are. If I get it right, I get to keep it. If I get it wrong, it's going to go in a giveaway.
To one of you guys.
Yeah.
That's
okay.
watching.
So let's go ahead and get started. This is my first batch. I bought these for on the opening day. And then I have a second batch coming in that I bought on the last day of the mystery treats, okay? If you girls have mystery treats, let me know in the comments what you got. Some of you girls already sent me pictures. I'm gonna do a little montage of all that everybody got. All right, here we go.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Let me blindfold myself. If you guys don't know, this is a 31 deco
Can you see?
diamonds.
Can you see?
No, I cannot see.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, she can't see.
All right.
All right.
Go ahead and make sure you show it to them too, okay? Because they'll know what it is. First up.
I don't even know what this is. Okay. It's a zipper. A pouch with a zipper.
A pouch with a zipper.
Okay, in that zipper, there's...
Mini zipper pouch?
There's a zipper pouch and there's stuff for like, I guess for your manicures and pedicures.
How do you...
It has polka dots on it.
Polka dots?
And it comes with a... It has two things inside.
Deco dots.
I guess that's what you call it.
What color is it?
I don't want to open it because you might not get it. And it comes with this. It's like a pouch. A nail filer, I think.
Oh, is it a Hello Happy?
It is a Hello Happy. She got it.
Did I get it?
Yes, she did.
Can I open it? My eyes?
Go ahead.
Oh, yay! I like this one actually. I have a ton of these ones, so we'll just go ahead and put this in the giveaway.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, what number was that one?
This was the number lucky one.
Lucky number 1. Okay, next. We'll put that to the side.
We'll fix this later.
Yeah, because we gotta take a...
Okay, is your eyes closed?
Yes, my eyes are
closed. Are you sure it's
yes.
closed? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Test me.
I'm testing you. What the world is this? This is the backpack that I have.
No way.
I mean,
no.
I
love the backpacks you have.
Yes. So you can't even see them on the screen. It's diamond print with green and kind of colorblind. This is pink, guys. It's pink or blue or purple. It's pink or purple.
Fun fact: my brother is colorblind.
You're gonna get this one. It's you can put food in here. It's for hot and cold.
Did I kiss the second one?
This is the second one.
Oh, this is okay. You can put a food in it.
You can put food in this one.
Okay, so it's a thermal.
Basically, it's a thermal.
Okay, what shape is it?
It's rectangle, vertically rectangle shape. It has a strap.
Okay.
It's a thermal. I like this print a lot.
Diamond. I think it
diamond.
is. Oh,
she just said that.
It is. What is that? Rainbow print. Candy corners.
Yes.
And is it a round clock thermal?
Cloth.
Around clock.
I don't know. Oh wait. Yes. No.
What?
I don't know this one. I can't read it.
It's a thermal. It has to be around the clock.
Oh, say it again. I think
around clock thermal.
Yeah, but what's the name of that?
Candy corners.
No.
It's not?
It's called the Pinona Thermal Tote.
Okay. I'm gonna peek.
Picnic.
Picnic! Oh my gosh, that's a big one! Oh,
I call it Pinolo, and it says picnic.
Okay, that's number 2.
Lucky number
Oh, I'm
2.
so happy with that. Okay, did I get that or did I get that wrong?
I don't know.
Okay, we'll just keep playing.
Okay, there's 2 more here for lucky number 3.
Okay, lucky number 3.
What is this? God, you can't even see me in the camera because I'm so tall. Okay, so I'm opening it up. It has a zipper. Oh, this is good for like people with like for your cards. Like a wallet, basically.
Okay, it's a wallet.
Yeah, there's a zipper in the front.
Zipper in the front.
Zipper in the middle. I guess
Zipper
for your cards and for your.
What does it feel like? What color is it?
I think this is an ivory blue or ivory black.
Okay.
Ivory
yeah, that's right. Colorblind. Okay.
Yeah. No cheating.
Okay.
No cheating.
Okay.
What?
I'm gonna go with. Is it like? Is there shapes on it?
No, it's just stripes.
Oh, stripes. And you said ivory.
I think it's like ivory black or ivory charcoal.
Ooh, I want to say it's a twill stripe.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, and it's a wallet.
Yes. Is this right?
Yeah, it's a perfect sense wallet. All right.
Yes. All right, last one.
Okay.
Dun, 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 dun. For lucky number 4. We're doing 6 feet here.
From the size of the box, I could tell I didn't get a large utility tote. Some of you guys got a large utility tote.
So it has that noise, like a windbreaker noise.
Oh, okay. Is it a thermal?
No, not even. It's also a wallet.
Oh.
It
not
has
a
zipper.
sense wallet?
Actually, no, it's not a wallet.
Okay.
I actually would use this as a wallet, but it's not a wallet. It's you could put actually your cards, your it's kind of like a planner. It's like a filing cabinet, like a Rolodex back in the days.
What?
Yeah.
I have no idea what this is.
And it has a zipper. It's like a U-shaped zipper.
What color is it?
You asked me again. I think this is purple, black, pink, and white.
Purple?
Black. Diamond shape. Some are diamonds. Some
is
of them.
it candy corners last
Yes. Time? I think this is it. Oh, Jonah just took the tag, so I don't know what it is.
Is it candy corners?
I think so. This is candy corners.
It's a Rolodex.
It's like a Rolodex. When you open up, it's like a filing cabinet. With the different slots. You know, like different slots, like a Rolodex where you could put
I know what a Rolodex is. People, I'm sure y'all know what a Rolodex is. We know what a Rolodex is. That was pre-cell phone days. Okay, yeah. I'm assuming it's a wallet.
Okay, yes. But what kind? Just
I don't know, but you know, it's candy corners.
Yeah. See?
And it's thermal.
And like a thermal print. It's a wallet. I actually just told you what it is.
Okay, I don't think it's a wallet, but okay, let me see.
What is it?
Oh, what? I have no idea.
Look at this. Bam, filing cabinet.
Oh, I would have not gotten that correct. Oh my gosh, oh. What is this?
Told you.
Oh, I know this was like coupon one. Jonah, where's the thing? Is this it? This this is lucky number 4.
Yes.
Save your way clutch. Oh, yeah. I would totally not have gotten this correct. All right. All right, guys. I hope you had fun doing that. You know what? Most likely these are all going to be in the giveaway stash. So I'm just letting you girls. That was just a fun way. I always get these things just for you girls so that we can do fun giveaways. Thanks to my brother for a special guest. Oh my gosh, yes. I am hot.
It's like 90 degrees here.
Okay, ladies, let me know what you guys got. Okay, lucky number 4 totally stumped me when my brother said Rolodex. What do we have as a Rolodex? But I hope you ladies totally enjoy that. All right, let's go ahead and announce those winners. All right, ladies, if you didn't know, all last week I did a Cruise With Me, but not Cruise With Me giveaway series. I was supposed to be on a cruise with Cindy and all my 31 girls because I totally earned a free trip to the Grand Cayman Islands and to Mexico. Instead of being all boohoo about it, I decided to have fun and give back to you girls. So all week I went live with different themes and you ladies had to send me a picture of that theme. And it's funny because one of my 2020 goals was to meet you ladies and to get to know you and to get you on this Beg Babe channel, and I totally succeeded with this giveaway. So let's go ahead and look at last 2 days of submissions. You girls went all wild and crazy. I love it. Okay, so there's Jessica with her, so one of them was show me your favorite wine. And then there's Shantae. Shantae's little one sporting their 31, I meant to say. Okay, there's Melody. Yesterday was patriotic, so show me America. Show me red, white, and blue because we were boarding into Florida and we were coming home. Those are the Rees. There's Melody again, showing off the red, white, and blue. Thanks, Melody. There's Rosie, being all patriotic. And then, oh my gosh, I'm just always amazed by big spaces because in here in California, they pay for them, all right? And then Renee, she is my Canadian girl, and she had to be patriotic in her own way, and I have to give it up to her. She was patriotic and showed off the Canadian flag colors. With Rosie again. You girls were super creative. Amanda, she's striking a pose. One of my last themes was we had a dance party, so you just show me strike a pose, okay? There she is with her red, white, and blue. Boom. There is Jessica with her red, be all patriotic, and she's striking her pose. I love it. Again, all these patriotic pictures. I totally love Christine. Thank you so much. The crew's in there. All right. There's Angela showing off her passport that she is ready to board on the cruise with us. Girls, I really hope you had a ton of fun showing some Kansas City pride there. Had a lot of fun doing these this Cruise With Me series. There's Christy with her bears. Roxana, this is Roxana. She's striking her pose, and then there she is, all patriotic. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, there's Desiree. If you guys didn't know, a couple seasons ago we had a red, white, and blue scarf, and she totally showed it off. There's Lori with her red, white, and blue. There's Barbara with her red, white, and blue. Oh my gosh. There's Tara. She's doing the Macarena, and then the red, white, and blue right there. There's Kathy. Oh, so cute. Look at that itty bitty one. Oh my goodness, with the red, white, and blue. Thank you. And then, oh, is this a red, white, and blue? I had a few videos, and then lastly, a dance party video. As the week's gone on, you girls got totally braver and braver, and I loved it. I can't show you the video because I'm watching on here. I'm filming on here. So let's go ahead and get to the winner. Girls, you had to get in on this mystery bundle worth $100 on me by simply sharing me those pictures, those clips, all throughout the week, okay? And let's go ahead and find who's the Cruise With Me winner. Okay, we're picking that right there. Look at all those names. You girls had so much fun, okay? So let's see who the big winner is. Jessica B, you won the mystery bundle, my goodness, of $100. Congratulations, girlfriend. You are having a great week. Since we're talking about Jessica B, ladies, I am proud to announce that Jessica and I's collaboration to get those 30 zipper pouches for her daughter and the girls on the unit, we totally did it. So thank you so much. She is waiting for everything to arrive, and she's going to put it together, and then she's going to show us what she put together. And then when the facility is able to have visitors, she's going to totally deliver that to all the girls. So thank you much from the bottom of my heart for all those who contributed, whether it's small or super big. We got there. We got those 30 zipper pouches and on our sleeve to go to Jessica's daughter and the 30 girls on her unit. So yay! That's another thing to celebrate. Woo! Okay, moving on. Let's go ahead and do the mystery hostess. All right, ladies, up for grabs is, who is April's mystery hostess? Up for grabs is a $280 shopping spree. You're gonna get 2 items at 50% off, and those insider rewards, you get 2 of them for free with free personalizations. Okay, ladies, because we totally hit it. And as I mentioned, if you missed April's mystery hostess link, don't worry. May is down below. Go ahead and get in on the double entries. May is just around the corner, and there's going to be more funness. If you want the summer VIP, hit me down in the Google Docs down below, and I will get you my summer VIP list. So enough talk, right, Rochelle? Let's go ahead and get to the mystery. Who is April's mystery hostess? Thank you, ladies. Look at all those entries, okay? All right. Boop, 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 boop. It's intense. It's intense. It's intense. Kristen from Virginia, congratulations. And just because I'm in a gifting mood today, Barbara from Kansas, you were the highest in terms of contribution to that mystery hostess. So you're going to get a little something from me just because. All right, ladies. Hope you girls enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big like, subscribe. Here is the newest video right here. If you wanted to check out the Cruise With Me play series, I'm going to put that down right there. And all this other fun I'm going to put down there as well. Welcome to the winner's circle, ladies. Bye-bye.